What's up, it's Frank with Diesels Dallas. We got here a 2014 F-250. Truck's got about 240 something thousand miles. Customer came in, had a couple leaks. We determined it was deeper than what he thought. So we're gonna be replacing every seal, top to bottom, front to back. Everything's gonna be replaced here from Ford. We got all the seals. We're gonna show the process of how we're doing it, how we're taking it off, how we're cleaning the engine bay. We got Ruben here. He's gonna be the tech on this one. Stay tuned so you can check out how we reseal this engine. We're back here with this 2014 F-250 6.7. We're doing a complete engine reseal. You can see down here how it drips. It's all on the axle. All this is gonna get washed. It's gonna get pressure washed, the grease. We're gonna do the whole, we're gonna just go ahead and take care of the whole engine bay for this customer. You can see it's been leaking for a while. It tells you a lot, this engine bay, when you're able to look at it this way, how the leak just progressed, got worse and worse. So we're gonna get all this addressed. Keep checking us out. We're gonna show you our engine part by part, how they're taking it apart.